Ever wondered how all those apps and websites manage to store and retrieve your data so quickly? Well, the secret behind it is something called SQL. That's spelled SQL, and it stands for Structured Query Language. But don't let the name fool you. It's not as complicated as it sounds. Think of SQL as a superpower for databases. It's the language used to communicate with databases, places where large amounts of data are stored. SQL lets you ask the database to find specific information, add new details, or even delete outdated stuff. It's like a magic command that allows you to interact with all that data in ways that are fast and efficient. Now, let's break it down a bit. Imagine you're in a huge library filled with thousands of books. SQL is like asking the librarian to find you books on a specific topic. You can ask for books written by a certain author or books from a particular year. Whatever you need, the librarian, in this case SQL, is ready to help. SQL uses simple commands like select to grab data, insert to add new data, update to change it, and delete to get rid of old stuff. So, whether you're looking to fetch data for a report, update your customer information, or even delete some old records, SQL is there to make it happen. And here's the best part. No matter the size of your data, SQL gets it done quickly and efficiently. Now that you know the basics, you can appreciate just how important SQL is for almost everything we do online. Comment for topics you want us to cover. Subscribe to keep learning.